Hey plant pals, Mike the Candy Gardener, and today's video is on my squash tower. And you can see this one is starting to, this is a male, I finally got males to produce, and this one's starting to shrivel up. I got pollen from this, and I got pollen from this one. I said before that the ladies had died before I could see that one's dying. I tried to pollinate it, I don't know if I caught it in time, probably not, but up here is a lady who is ready to be pollinated. So I have an old makeup brush for my wife. She never used this one. It's got pollen on the tip that I took from this one here. I'm gonna get all up in his business and try to get some more pollen. We get some pollen from this one, and I'm gonna pollinate the lady here. So yeah, I'm really excited. So hopefully I will get at least one squash from that one. I might get two other ones. The buttercup squash. There are some more females. Like there's a little baby female there. See that little ball is what turns into the buttercup squash. And I should have. I think there's a couple more ladies over here somewhere hidden, but she'll show her. So oh, there's one there. So yeah, they'll be easy enough to tell when they're ready. But yeah, look at this beautiful male flower. I'm gonna get the pollen from it and pollinate this grand lady here. And hopefully I'll get some. And I got more proper male flowers growing, and I got more proper females growing all throughout the garden here, this tower. So I am really excited. I'm just trying to look along with you, see if I see any more. All right. Well, I'm gonna get to pollinating. The process isn't that complicated. You just take the brush and you dig down in there. I can also take the male off here and put it down into the female. But I'm just gonna use the brush. I think that's just gonna be easier. And we'll see. This is all new to me, so this is pretty fun and really cool. Somebody was asking me how tall this tower is. It's this rack here I got just from the big box store. This rack is 3 feet tall, and then the tower I built using maker pipe connections. This is just conduit for you'd run electrical wires through. You'd get at the big box store. Comes in like 5-foot sections or whatever. And so I pieced everything together. So I've got 5 feet on top of the 3 feet. So this is an 8-foot tall tower. But I do have 5 feet of growing room from the top of the rack all the way down to the bottom here. So if I get another, I can grow. So I've kind of proven that I can do squash in here. So I could grow peas, squash, anything that'll stay under 5 feet. There are dwarf varieties of corn that grow about 4 feet, and I have about a foot to spare, so that'd be cool. I'd love to try it. So yeah, this was just all in fun. I had no intention of growing squash inside, but what happened was I had a cup where I was fermenting the seeds from the squash I purchased at the store, and seven of the seeds, I forgot about it. 7 of the seeds germinated right in the cup, and they used the goo that was in the cup as fertilizer, and they grew into little starts. And it's still snowing and cold outside. There's no possibility of planting outside for probably another 2 months. So I decided, while I was not doing really anything that special, that I would take this deep water culture tub and put them in. And I lost one in movement. I moved one in transit and I snapped it. My accident snapped in half, so I got rid of one. And then I was down to 6. I put all 6 in the tub here, and 3 of them really took off. 2 of them were kind of wimpy, and I could have just continued growing them and maybe put them outside or something, but I just got rid of them. I got like 200 more seeds for that off that one squash, so I got a big baggie full of them. And again, this was just a fun experiment. All right, any comments, questions, leave in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.